Welcome to CorelDRAW Institution. In this intermediate tutorial series, we'll be guiding you step by step to design the stunning flyer you see on the left side of the screen. Here's a sneak peek at the exciting topics we'll be covering throughout this series. Where to find free resources for all your design projects. How to create a simple yet eye-catching background that stands out. Mastering image cropping in CorelDRAW. Transforming it from this to this. Adding realistic shadows and reflections to bring your designs to life. Designing an attention-grabbing price tag that gets noticed. Pro tips on alignment, spacing, and composition for that clean, professional finish. And of course, we'll wrap it up with shortcuts, tips, and tricks to boost your speed and efficiency. But that's not all. As a bonus, I'll show you how to download CorelDRAW 2023 for free at the end of the series. Don't miss a thing. Subscribe, like, share, and turn on notifications so you're the first to catch every episode as soon as it drops. Let's get started and bring your creative vision to life with CorelDRAW.